I'm Alan, and this is 5 ways to play with a parachute.
Alright guys, the first game will be color switch. So everybody will be having a handle on a color. When your color is called, you'll run under the parachute and run to the next spot that's available.
Blue. Green. Yellow.
Next game is sharks. There's going to be a shark under the parachute, and the shark gets to tag or pull the legs of anybody holding the parachute. Whoever gets pulled or tagged is going to be the next shark.
The third game is called sit to shoot. Everyone's gonna bring the parachute up and then go under and sit on it. Let's play.
The fourth game we're playing is called Keep Up. For this game, we're going to try to keep one of the balls inside the parachute, and we're going to wave the parachute around.
This last parachute game is parachute basketball, where you just have to wave the parachute and try to make the ball fly into the basketball hoop.
That was 5 ways to play with a parachute. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.